heavier they are.
Well, it could be better perspective as well.
Well, they're not like in a stagnant,
Well, no,
solidified state.
I don't see any of them contracting. Well, that's not true.
Well, it looks like they're expanding and somehow, in some ways, they're dissipating. You think?
Yeah.
So they're expanding and disappearing and...
Well, and they actually form when they go over the island.
They form when they go over the island, really?
Because the wind will be coming across the ocean. When it hits an island, it gets pushed up.
Uh-huh.
And it's down here, there's a lot of moisture in the air, but you don't see it until it gets pushed up to higher altitudes, and then it forms clouds. So, because it's cooling, so it's taking all that moisture and pushing it up higher where it's cooler and it condensates.
Oh, I see. What's the morphing, though? What causes the morphing?
Morphing is the fact that it's one form of gas inside a slightly lighter form of gas. It's like putting cream in your car.
Is it happening to entertain us?
No,
Is that just a byproduct?
Yeah.
So everything in the natural world that delights me isn't happening just to delight me?
No.
I think it is.
You're an existentialist.
No. I think it's being delighted by nature, I think, is a part of being, I don't know, just have the capacity to enjoy things.
Well, then is...
But you're saying it's not its purpose.
Things in nature that are terrifying. Is it there just to terrify you?
Oh. Well, it's almost like we're part of nature that can be delighted and terrified by itself. You know? Does that make sense?
By itself?
Yeah, because we're part of nature.
Kind of
So,
like a dog chasing its tail?
yeah. Or a boar. What's the snake eating its tail? The Ouroboros? Or...
Those couple's kids.